up, big legend? Wait till you get a little bit bigger. All right, son, come on, close it up. Come on, get up there. Come on. What happened? What happened, man? What happened? You hurt your hand? All right, man. You didn't try it like 30 times, man. You want to try one more time, or is that it? All right, come on. You already didn't try like 30 times. Come on, grab it. Grab it. You can do it. You can do it. Whoa, big legend. Slow down, big legend. Come on.
Watch out, big legend, get out.
Come on. No, you'll be all right. You just try to grab it. Come on. Get up there. Show me them hops. Yeah, them bunny hops.
Dude, if I do it, is it go close?
Nah, just come on. Oh, man. Come on, big legend. Let's go. We got to go, man. It's going to take landing about 10,000 years. Oh, man, he hurt himself again. What's up, big legend? Huh?
That's just that.
Yeah, but you could have grabbed that rope and brought it down.
No.
It would have been too easy.
I need some muscles on this.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Doing some little PT today, too.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
That's probably, here, let me see.
Let's go.
About right here? You want to try to jump up there and grab it? All right. Come on. Come on. Act like you about to dunk. Come on. Dunk it. Yeah, that's how you bring it down. There we go. Yeah. You want to do it too? All right. Just calm down, big legend. You don't got to be crying about. All right? You ain't got to be crying about it, buddy. You just say, hey, I want to do it too. I want to try it out. It's too, hold up, son. It's gonna be too easy. All right, big legend. Right here. We're gonna put it right there for you, okay? All right, pull it down. No, right here. Yep, there you go. Push it down. Oh, push it down.
Hey, let's
Yeah, there you go, push it down. Yeah! All righty. Good job, fella.
I got some muscles.
Yeah, you
so
do.
burning right now.
Them jokers burning?
Yeah.